Doing a video today of vapor barrier. I'm just going to show you how to install it, other things you need to do to help seal it. So this one is a 6 mil vapor barrier, pretty standard nowadays. You're going to use something called a black acoustic seal, and that goes around your windows, and it also goes on the bottom and up top. Helps seal out the draft. The vapor barrier just gets stapled up. It goes up very easy. Just make sure it's tight and not wrinkled, because if you have any wrinkles, you're going to have problems putting up the drywall. And you also just tape around your outlets just to make sure they're all sealed there and make sure everything's tight. So there you go. There's vapor barrier.